Halo guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with me, Awwal Rahmawati. In this session, I will produce character education with the traditional game for children. I will tell you a little story before starting this session. The story is real in this situation. There is a child who is about 9 years old with a parents who are so busy with their work. The child has been given a gadget at the age 4 years, with the excise that the child is not fussy and plays away from parental supervision. Over time, the child become addicted to gadget, which make him to unable socialize well in his environment. In this time, I will share how to develop our improved character education in a simple way, namely by using traditional scheme like gala asin and sonda. At the same time, to introduce traditional scheme to children. Character learning is a conscious and plain human effort to educate and empower the potential of students to build their personality, so that they can be useful people for themselves and their environment. Students in which there are components of knowledge, understanding or desire, and action to implement these values. Character education is closely related to moral learning, where the goal is to shape and train people's skill continuously for self-improvement toward a better life. In this case, I want to help by providing a solution that is considered appropriate for children in developing their character, so that they will be even better for their future. I have a game solution for that. The first is Sonda, which is a game that we usually call engkle by in Japanese, Ca Engkel in Palembang, Engke-Engke in Manado. Is the name of a game that is generally played by girls, with a pattern of pictures in the form of lattice boxes made on the ground. Each player holds a piece on tile fragments or a flat stone, which is then thrown into the game box. The player jumps from one square to the next. Boxes containing precarious shards must not be stepped on. Players are declared lost if they step on the line of the box or the outside of the box. This game is very useful for children's growth and development. Namely, children's gross motoric skill become trained, balance become more stable, logical intelligence in children develops, and the most important thing is the inspired sense of socializing and growing independent in children. The second is the Gala Asin game. Maybe we are familiar with this game. The game that we often used to play with friends while waiting for the time to read Quran. This game is usually played on the large yard by making lines as shown into the picture above. The player moves around without being touched by the opposing player. How to play the Gala Asim whole game? Players are divided into two teams. One team which usually consists of 3 to 7 and standing parallel to the line right, left, with one person across from the front line to the back, while the other team run into the playing arena while avoiding the pursuit and touch of the opposing player's hand. This game is relied on the player's speed and agility. If one of the players is touched by a guard players, then the game ends and both teams change turns. The benefit of this game are children become more critical thinkers, make strategies to make their team win, train conversations between children, train concentration in children, and most importantly, children have a sense of a lead of a team. while the other team ran into the playing arena while finding a pursuit and touch of the upper-sizing player's hand. This game relies on player speed and agility. If one of the players is touched by a guard player, then the game ends and both teams change turns. The benefit of this game are children become more critical thinkers and make strategies to make their team win, train cohesiveness between children, train concentration in children, and the most importantly, children have a saying to lead a team. It is hoped that after playing this game, children will no longer depend on gadgets and can also blend with their environment. In the addition, it is also hoped that the characters that are developed afterward can make children more focused on realizing their future and also have good behavior so that they can be accepted by the wider community. And then for parents, you should reduce the use of gadget in children and let children play with their peers.